Hello students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to maths class. Okay, here new topic trigonometry. We are going to discuss a new topic of trigonometry. What is a trigonometry? First of all, trigonometry is a word derived from Greek roots tri, three, gonia, an angle, metron means measure. In this one, tri. These three words is a tri is a three. Gonia. This is trigonometry, no? Trigonometry. In this one, trigonometry. Tri means three. Gonia means an angle. And metron is nothing but a measure. Metron is nothing but a measure. Three-angle measure. Trigonometry is an analytical study of a geometrical figure which has a three-angle measures. That is nothing but a triangle. That is nothing but a triangle. Okay. Trigonometry is trigonometry is derived from the Greek words trigonia means an angle, metron means measure. Three-angle measurement. It is an analytical study of trigonometry is an analytical study of three-angle measures. A geometrical figure which has a three-angle measure. That is a triangle. That is nothing but a triangle. Okay, study of a angle geometry, three-angled geometric figure, that is nothing but a triangle. And this was developed by Greek mathematicians. First introduced by Greek mathematicians. In this one, in Greek mathematician, Hipparchus was the first mathematician who introduced the trigonometry. Hipparchus was the first mathematician who introduced the trigonometry. What he did here? Hipparchus established the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Sides and angles of a triangle. Hipparchus was the mathematician who established the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Okay, sides and angles of a triangle. Later, after Greek mathematician, Indians developed the trigonometry. First, Greek mathematician used in trigonometry used a chord of a circle. Okay, in trigonometry, Greek mathematician used in a circle chord of a circle they used. Now later, Indians replaced this chord as a half chord. This chord replaced by half chord. Okay, Indians replaced this chord of a circle into a half chord only. Okay, so trigonometry is widely used in many ways: surveying, while doing the surveys, astronomy, navigation, and while finding the depth of the oceans and heights of the tides. Okay, nowadays trigonometry is widely established in science and engineering. Nowadays trigonometry widely expanded in science and engineering. Widely they are using in science and engineering. Okay, trigonometry, uses of trigonometry. Generally everyone thinks that is a trigonometry. What is the use? Whatever the depth of the ocean, no one will measure the ocean depth with a meter cable or anything measurements. So it is using the trigonometry only depth of the oceans and heights of the ocean in the ocean. These are all measured with the help of the trigonometry only. Okay, height of the mountain. Everest mountain is 8,848 if I am not wrong. Okay, that also they did not measure with the scale or any length. Okay, they used the trigonometric concept and they measured that one. Okay, in this trigonometry, the three angles of a triangle. Angles in this trigonometry, angles measurements of the angles are measured in three different ways. Okay, angle measurements are in three different ways. One is a degree system. In degrees, what we are using at present. Centesimal system, that is a grading system. Okay, next one is a radian system. Radian system. This is a radian system you will use in next class. Centesimal generally we don't use. This was developed by French mathematicians, and degrees are used by the Britishers. And the centesimal system is a French system, and radians are Indian system. Generally we call it as a Indians. Circular system. Radian system is nothing but a circular system. Circular system. Okay. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. It is the analytical study of the three-angle measurement geometrical figure, that is a triangle. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. Okay, it is the analytical study of three-angled measurements of the geometrical figure, that is nothing but a triangle. Okay, this trigonometry was introduced by this word is derived. This word was derived from tri means three, gonia is nothing but an angle, metron is nothing but a measure. These are Greek words. Trigonometry, tri, gonia, metron are the Greek words, Greek roots. From these Greek roots, these are the words meaning, and with the help of these meaning only the trigonometry topic name you got. Okay, trigonometry is an analytical study of three-angle measurement of the geometrical figure, that is a triangle. This was developed by Greek mathematician. Among those Greek mathematicians, Hipparchus was the first mathematician who established the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Okay, sides and angles of a triangle. Generally, right angle triangle will do, but in every triangle, trigonometry can be calculated. Sides and angles can be calculated. So, in these angles can be measured in three ways. One is a degree system, that is also known as a sexagesimal system. That was the British system. This is a British system. Next one is a centesimal system. This is a French system, also known as a French system. And next third one is a radian system, that is also known as a circular system. Okay, degree system, British system, centesimal system or French system, radian system or circular system. This was developed by Indians, we call. Okay, Indian system also we know that one, we read it out. So, but here you will learn about only degree system, no centesimal system, no radian system. In next higher class you will learn about the radian system. Okay, generally everyone knows that is a pi is an irrational number. Though it is a pi is equal to 22/7, only convenient purpose will write 22/7, but it is not exact value. So pi is a 22/7. It is a irrational number. If I write this pi as this symbol, like this circular system symbol is there, then pi is not an irrational number. It is a degree, 180 degrees. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Remember that one. Okay. Now trigonometry was widely using in a science and engineering. At present, science and engineering we are using while doing the surveying, while doing the navigation, in navigation also. Next, astronomy. Next, to find the depth of the oceans, to find the heights of the tides of in the ocean. All these are calculated with the help of the trigonometry. In this trigonometry, you have a standard ratios, standard functions are there. Standard functions, three standard functions are there. Those three are sine, cosine, tangent. Sine, cosine and tangent are these three are the standard trigonometric functions. And their reciprocals are sine reciprocal is cosecant, cosine reciprocal is secant, and tangent reciprocal is cotangent. These are all we will discuss later. These three, about these three. Okay. Now sine, cosine. This is sine was the trigonometric function was derived, was obtained from sinus. In olden days, sinus word is there. Sinus. Okay. Sine, cosine, tangent are the only words. Just now I said a function. This becomes a function when you add, when you combine these functions with any of the angle. Any of the angle. If any angle is combined with these words, then only it becomes as a function. Sine 30 degrees. This is a function. If sine, if I write this one, only a word it is. It is a meaningless word. It is just a word. No meaning is there. This is not a meaningless function. It is. Sine, without sine, cosine and tangent are the three functions we use in trigonometry. Sine, cosine and tangent are the three trigonometric functions we use in trigonometry. Standard trigonometric functions. But these three functions are, if they are together joined with the angle, then only they are meaningful as a meaningful functions. Or else just they are words. Just they are words. Sine is a word, cosine is a word, tangent is a word. If sine theta, cos theta or tan 30 degrees, when you join angle with these names, then only they consider as a functions, trigonometric functions. Okay. Sine 30 degrees, it is a function, trigonometric function, t ratio. What is t ratio? I will discuss later. Trigonometric function. If only sine means this is not a function. This is not a function. And one more thing is here, sine 30 degrees is not sine into 30 degrees. This is a wrong concept. Okay. Don't think that this is a product of sine and 30 degrees. Sine and 30 degrees is not the product here. Sine 30 degrees is a complete one function it is. Okay. Generally, sometimes in 1 mark question they ask, is sine theta is the product of sine and theta? No, false. Why? Because sinus is a trigonometric ratio and theta is an angle. This trigonometric ratio is only exist or considered. Okay, exist when sine is combined with any of the angle, then only it is a meaningful function. Otherwise, meaningless word it is. Just a word. Sine is just a word. Cos also just a word. Tan also just a word. Okay. If they are combined with an angle, then only they known as a trigonometric function. Then only they known as a trigonometric functions. Okay. Sine, cosine, tangent. Now sine 30 degrees is a trigonometric function, but only sine is not a function. Is sine 30 degrees is a product of sine and 30 degrees? No. This is not a product of sine and 30 degrees. Sine is different. Sine is a function name, 30 degrees an angle. If this function name and 30 degrees combined together is there, then only it is a meaningful trigonometric function. Or else sine is just a word, 30 degrees is an angle. Okay? So sine, in this chapter you will learn these are the three standard functions. What are those three standard functions? Sine, cosine and tan. And their reciprocal, sine reciprocal is 1 by sine. 1 by sine reciprocal is cosecant. Here it is angle, is there no theta, theta here. If not, if you don't write theta, then it is just a word it is. Okay, 1 by cos theta. This is theta. Generally, trigonometry angle is measured as a theta will write. X, Y, Z are theta. Okay, cos theta reciprocal is secant theta. And 1 by tan theta reciprocal of tan is cotangent, cot theta. Cot theta. Okay. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta, 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta, 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. These are the reciprocal functions, and these are the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are the standard trigonometric functions, standard trigonometric ratios. Okay. In this topic about the angles, there are three types of measurements. Units of measures are three are there. There are three units of measures are there. One is a degree measurement, another one is a grading system, third one is a radian system. Degree measurement also known as a British system, which we discuss in this topic, and the centesimal system also known as a French system, which we don't discuss at all, and old textbook we used to discuss here. Now third one is a radian system or circular system. Radian system or circular system. About angles, another unit measurement of the unit is a unit of measure is a radian system or circular system, which we will discuss in next class. Next higher classes we will discuss about. Okay, generally pi, general one example also, one just value pi is just 22/7 irrational number. If this symbol is there, then pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. Remember that. That's it. What I discussed here? Trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of analytical study of a geometrical figure, three-angled measurements. That is a triangle. Trigonometry word is a word derived from Greek words. Tri means three, gonia is an angle, metron means a measure. Three-angle measurements. And trigonometry was introduced by Greek mathematician. In that, Hipparchus was the first mathematician who established the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Sides and angles of a triangle. After Greek mathematicians, this was developed by Indian mathematician, Hindu mathematician. What they did here? Greeks used in trigonometry a chord of a circle, whereas Indians replaced the chord as a half chord. Chord as in a half chord. Okay. Now trigonometry nowadays widely using in a science and engineering. Now trigonometry is to surveying, astronomy, navigation, to find the depth of the oceans, heights of the mountains. Okay, heights of the mountains. Next, heights of the tides in the ocean. These are all. Okay. Now widely they are using in science and engineering case. Nowadays trigonometry is very widely using. Okay. Now in trigonometry there are three standard functions are there: sinus, cosine, tangent. These are the three trigonometric functions, standard functions. These sinus, sine is a word, just a word, until and unless it is joined with an angle, These three standard functions are meaningful when they are joined together with the angle. Sine is just a word it is. Now, if I join, this is a sine theta. This is a function. This is a function. Until and unless you join an angle with the sine, it is just a word. Just a word. Okay. Trigonometric functions are only these are the standard functions are sine, cos, tan. These are the three standard functions. These are functions when you join an angle with them. When you join with an angle sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, then only they are three standard functions. If this theta is angle is not there, just they are words. Just they are words. Sine theta is sine theta can be written as a sine into theta? No. This does not exist. Sine theta is not the product of sine and theta. Sine theta is not the product of sine and theta. Okay. Cos theta is not the product of cos and theta. Tan theta also not the product of tan and theta. Okay. So these three are standard functions are meaningful when they combined with an angle. These three standard functions and three more are there. They reciprocals. Total trigonometric ratios are 6 trigonometric ratios we use. There are 6 trigonometric functions. Among those 6 trigonometric functions, 3 are standard functions, 3 are reciprocals of the standard functions. Reciprocals of the standard functions. Am I clear? Now, in trigonometry, angles can be units. Unit measurements of the angles are there are 3 units of measurements of the angles. One is a degree system, which we discuss in this topic. Another one is a grade system or centesimal system, and third one is a radian system. We discuss in next class. And grade system we don't discuss in next class. Just the introduction we learn, but we don't use anywhere. So radians we will use in next class. Now we discuss only about the degree system. Degree system also known as a degree system. Grade system also known as a centesimal system or French system. Radian system is also known as a circular system. In radian system is also known as a circular system. Okay. Greek mathematician what they used is a chord of a circle they used Greek mathematicians. Whereas a Indian mathematician what they did? Indian mathematician replaced the chord with the half chord. Okay. Understood? This is just about a briefing of the introduction of trigonometry. Okay, in next class we will discuss about the what are the trigonometry functions, what are the angles, all those things. Okay, thank you.